Hi, it's Cooking Girl here, and today I'm gonna show you how to cook chicken nuggets. You need flour and breadcrumbs, an egg, and this in a bag. Now you need to put the egg into the bowl. Then you need to put just a little bit of salt and mix it again. But if it's sticky, you can just take a big ball and then start doing this until it forms a ball when you do like this. And just smack it onto the plate. Now when you have them on a flat surface, then you can take them, dip them, and take the flour and just rub it against it. And it's supposed to be everywhere, but just a tiny layer. And then you need to do the breadcrumbs, the same thing, but now you need to do a load and not just a tiny layer, like on the flour. Then you need to add lots of oil. Then you need to cook it for 3 minutes for each side. Like and subscribe. Bye.